What's up, gang? What's up? So, today's topic is what you really get paid for as a business owner or as a CEO or a founder. So, there's this huge misconception in our society that the CEOs they should not be paid as much, because वो अपने employees से कम काम करते हैं and stuff. ऐसे तुम वीडियोस देखते हो कि कोई CEO का इंटरव्यू हो रहा है एंड ही सेज कि आई ओनली वर्क लाइक 4 hours a day एंड फिर कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग आते हैं सेइंग शिट लाइक कि हाँ बट दिस पर्सन इज स्टिल गेटिंग paid 300 times his employees, blah 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 blah. And you also see these news posts भाई जहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि this CEO of X or Y company, this guy has made a system such that he gets the same payment as his employees. And फिर लोग उसको भाई बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ यही होना चाहिए, CEOs and founders they should not be paid as much, blah 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 bullshit. And this question was asked to me also कि like Aryan, like you make lakhs a month, भाई तुम अपने the people that work for you only pay them क्या बोलते हैं in some thousands or X or Y, something like that. And I'm going to basically give you a few reasons why as a business owner you should be paid more, and it is actually very important for society to understand कि business owners को ज़्यादा पेमेंट मिलनी चाहिए एंड फ्रॉम ऑल्सो एन इकोनॉमिक स्टैंड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ठीक है. सो हेयर इज़ माई फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ द फकिंग स्ट्रेस एंड एंग्जाइटी. ठीक है. माँ की चूत. हेयर इज़ द थिंग, आई एम डायरेक्टली अकाउंटेबल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द वर्क दैट माई एम्प्लॉयज़ डू. I am not, if my employees make a big fucking mistake, I am not going to be like कि हाँ मैं अपने एम्प्लॉई और अपने क्लाइंट को एक ही कॉल पे ला रहा हूँ, मेरा क्लाइंट मेरे एम्प्लॉय पे चिल्लाए. वो क्या है? वो तो फिर बहनचोद मेरा क्या काम हुआ इसमें? आई शुड बी द गाय हु शुड टेक द शिट. आई शुड बी द गाय जिसकी क्लाइंट गांड मारे, बिकॉज आई एम द पर्सन हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. दिस इज़ द रीज़न आई गेट पेड फॉर. जिससे मेरी गांड मरे, राइट, वो सारा स्ट्रेस जो मुझे मेरे एम्प्लॉय को मिले वो मैं खुद ले रहा हूँ. ठीक है. That is what I get paid for. That's the first thing. The fucking stress. You can say shit like, oh, you work only like 3 hours a day. And let me tell you something. अभी तो I'm working a lot. अभी I'm working आराम से 10 घंटे दिन का. But there was a time, during my boards when I was not even working 3 hours a day. ठीक है. And तब तुम बोल सकते हो कि भाई your employee was doing so much work, blah 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 blah. Here's the thing, bitch ass. वो जो 3 घंटे मैं काम कर रहा था, हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन बाकी के 21 घंटा जो स्ट्रेस था वो कौन ले रहा था? दैट वाज मी, नॉट माई एम्प्लॉयज़. माई एम्प्लॉयज़ वर डूइंग द 8 hours ऑफ वर्क. बाकी 16 hours इट वॉज जो उनको करना है वो करें. द अदर 21 hours दैट आई हैड, आई वॉज द पर्सन हु वाज टेकिंग द फकिंग स्ट्रेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग कि अब ये काम हुआ है, क्या मैंने इस चीज़ को ऑडिट करा है, इज़ एवरीथिंग गोइंग वेल, इज़ एवरीथिंग बीइंग कोऑर्डिनेटेड. सो that is the first thing. वो जो stress होता है as a business owner, you can't delegate that. I wish I could delegate my stress onto someone else, but I can't. That is what I signed up for as a business owner. That is what these CEOs sign up for, to become these fucking CEOs. That's why they get paid so much. It is the fucking stress they take. As a business owner, as a CEO, there are no holidays. I can give my setters or my VAs holidays, भाई, और उन टाइम पे वो कुछ नहीं सोचते होंगे कि उनको काम करना है. I was like इन मसूरी, अभी आई वॉज इन कसौली ऑल्सो. दोनों ट्रिप जो मैंने करी, आई वॉज थिंकिंग, आई वॉज वर्किंग. ठीक है. नॉट एक्टिवली वर्किंग कि हाँ भाई what the fuck is, I don't know what the fuck happened, my video got cut out, but this is what I'm saying. When I was in Mussoorie, when I was in Kasauli, I was traveling. So this guy who works with me, he called me and he was like, bro, you shouldn't tell these people that you're traveling now. I mean, I'm not making fun of him. That's a genuine concern that you're traveling, because while you're having fun, these people are logging the data, these people are doing the work, and it gives an impression कि भाई तुम तो बकचोदी कर रहे हो while other people are actually working. And this is a genuine concern, I get that. But here's the thing, bhai. Yeah, I was traveling, but while I was literally trekking, bro, I was still thinking about my business. ठीक है? And while my friends were sleeping during my Mussoorie trip, हाँ, हम मान लो 2 बजे मैं मॉल रोड से आया, they would just scroll on reels or they would just go to sleep. I was the person who was working from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. ठीक है? Why? Because I had to. That is my job. There are no holidays as a business owner. I dream about this shit. रात को सोते वक्त मेरे दिमाग में आता है कि अब मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. Yeah, this is very unhealthy and this is an obsession, but this is what I signed up for. This is what I get paid for. Okay? So that is the first thing. Maki Chooth, the stress and the anxiety and the constant need for you to work. Okay? That's the first thing. The second thing is infrastructure. Infrastructure. What do I mean by that? This whole infrastructure that the people are, that these people are following, जो मैंने इनको दिया है. Who made it? I made it. ठीक है? अब मैं तेरे को एक real life example देता हूँ. You know, you see these consultants, ठीक है? And people are like, भाई consultants का कोई काम नहीं होता. Why do they get paid इतना ज़्यादा? Yeah, because ये लोग actual infrastructures बनाते हैं. That guy who is selling an AI automation to a business is only going to be making around $700 a month from each client. But that person who's actually making all the infrastructure, he's not doing any actual work. He's the guy who's using his brain. That person is going to be paid more. That person is going to demand a $5,000 setup fee. $5,000. Why? Because that guy is making the actual infrastructure. जो actual दिमाग वाला काम होता है, that thing is done by the people at the top. ठीक है? These CEOs, what do they have to do all day? कुछ नहीं, सारा काम तो employees कर रहे हैं. What they actually have to do is that they have to make sure कि जो infrastructure इन्होंने setup करा है, जो इन्होंने साला दिमाग ख़राब करके इतनी मेहनत से बनाया है, this is working well. क्या इसमें कोई problems आ रही है? And here's the thing, जब कोई actual problem आती है in the metrics, right, और in the quality of work, द एम्प्लॉइज़ का इसमें कुछ नहीं होता. इसको ठीक कौन करता है? इसका दिमाग कौन लगाता है कि भाई मुझे मेरा लेट्स से माई अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग रेट इज़ डाउन, राइट? इसमें दिमाग कौन लगाएगा? मैं लगाऊंगा. ऑब्वियसली आई टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम माई एम्प्लॉइज, दे ऑल्सो गिव मी गुड आइडियाज़, बट एट द एंड द मेन थिंग, द फाइनल डिसीजन रेस्ट विद मी, एंड दिस फाइनल डिसीजन विल हैव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज. एंड दीज कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज आर सच दैट कि अगर मान लो मैंने कम पैसे बनाए इस महीने, दैट डजंट मीन माई एम्प्लॉइज विल बी पेड लेस. They will be paid the exact amount जितना उनका होता है. कुछ so the setters that work for me, they are on a performance basis, but वो तो अलग चीज़ है, right? But इसके actual consequences तो मैं deal करूँगा ना. अगर मान लो मैंने बकचोदियाँ कर दी, I took some wrong decision, right? जिससे जो metric ऊपर जाना था वो KPI से बहुत नीचे है, so that consequence मैं deal करूँगा ना. I'll be the one who's going to bear the loss, right? And you can also see that, matlab, it's just that you build the business owner, the CEO, the founder, that person builds the infrastructure. These people follow the infrastructure, and all they have to do is they work hard. That's it. Because actual dimag wala kaam, that shit is being delegated. There is a reason you can't delegate a CEO, you can't replace a CEO or a business owner with AI, because that is some actual work. तुम बोल सकते हो ब्रो, सैम ऑल्टमैन को तो ओपन एआई ने फायर कर दिया था बिकॉज हिज जॉब वाज डेलीगेटेड. दैट वाज सम बुलशिट न्यूज़. ओके, सैम ऑल्टमैन इज स्टिल इन द कंपनी. द कंपनी स्टिल नीड्स एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हु गेट पेड कितना ज़्यादा, बिकॉज यू कांट डेलीगेट दैट. दैट्स द थिंग, यू कांट डेलीगेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड रीज़न. द थर्ड रीज़न, पहले 2 रीज़न जैसा ही है, which is the brain power जो तुम यूज़ करते हो. हाँ, as I said, the final decision rests with me and my business partner Toshik. ये decisions जो होते हैं, जिनके actual consequences होते हैं, ये बहनचोद मेरे employees नहीं है, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, face करते. They don't bear the consequences. I do. But when I take a good decision ना, when I take a good fucking decision and I make a lot of money, that is also on me. That is my credit. मैंने अच्छा decision लिया. अब yeah, I give my employees bonuses, right? I over time, if they have been working for me for a lot of time, तो मैं उनको और ज़्यादा pay करता हूँ, right? But obviously I get paid more than them. I make more money than them. And that is because of how a business works. And this is how an economy should work. If the business owner doesn't have a good fucking incentive for taking all this stress and using all his fucking brain power to make these decisions and to create these infrastructures, why would they even work? Why would they want to grow their business if I'm getting paid the same as my employees and there is no potential कि मेरा income बढ़ेगा over time? Why the fuck would I want to improve my business? My business, bro, I would say it contributes more to the economy than any business. Even though I'm making not इतना ज़्यादा करोड़ों में, but I get paid क्या बोलते हैं बाहर से. So from an economic standpoint of view, here's the thing. मेरे पास इंसेंटिव है, राइट? इफ़ आई गेट पेड मोर एज अ बिजनेस ओनर, मैं इसको और इम्प्रूव करूँगा. एंड बाहर से US डॉलर्स आ रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान में, मादरचोद. इफ़ यू लाइक, आई एम एक्टिवली ट्राइंग टू फिक्स द फकिंग trade deficit and whatever you call it. What do you call it? Net factor income from abroad, na? I am on the positive side. I am exporting services. That is contributing more to the Indian economy than all these motherfuckers who import items. Okay. So yeah, these are like the 3 reasons why every CEO, every business owner, every founder should be paid more. It makes more sense from an economic standpoint of view, and it also makes sense from like a personal standpoint of view. I would not want to take all this stress if I'm only making a few thousand rupees a month. All right. And I think the people who complain, okay, either they are young, which I get it, and if they are like above the age of 22, they're just dumb. That's it. You don't have that brain power to compute कि एक actual CEO and the people on the top उनके पास क्या काम होता है. ठीक है, अभी तो I have more work, अभी तो I do the auditing myself कि कैसे employees काम कर रहा है. But once this shit is big enough, I will also delegate the auditing to the more experienced people who work for me. तो मेरा वो भी काम नहीं रहेगा. तब मेरा बस एक काम रहेगा, which would be taking decisions, facing the fucking consequences and dealing with the stress. And here's the thing. Our main job as business owners is just to take good decisions. And the thing is, you might think, bhai, decision kya lena, bhenchod. Yeah, the decision making is the biggest fucking thing, bro. Fuck you. ठीक है? You have to take a logical decision while you are facing pressure from your clients, you're facing pressure from your employees, right? तुम्हारे दिमाग में इतना stress है, everything, every emotion trying to hinder your decision making, you have to fuck that. You have to remove that, and you have to then take a decision from logic. And if you try to take decisions from emotion, right, जो बहुत business owners लेते हैं, and that's why they fucking fail, you're not gonna do shit. ठीक है? That's what we get paid for. That's what a CEO gets paid for. Taking the best possible decisions, dealing with the consequences while he's under the stress of everything. Every small thing in the business, वो बंदा उस चीज़ के stress में है. Because at the end of the day, जो मरेगा, वो business owner मरेगा. ठीक है? The employees will just get laid off. ठीक है bro, sure, just find another job. But उनका कोई loss होना, और the actual loss would be of the business owner. वो पिटेगा, उसके ऊपर मान लो कोर्ट केस हो गया, हाँ, वो चुदेगा बहन का लोड़ा. So I think this answers all of the questions, right, of what you get paid for as a business owner. And that's it, bhai. And if you still have any objections कि भाई ऐसा क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए, I would love to hear them, but most of these objections would come from an emotional क्या बोलते हैं, from a place of emotion कि भाई, but you're still not doing work, but you're paying them less. I pay them more. I pay my employees अच्छा खासा. I know a lot of Indian appointment setting agencies who pay their employees चूतिया rates. And I am the type of guy जो भाई अपना profit वो कर देगा, कम कर देगा, just so that मेरे employees को अच्छा पैसा मिल जाए, because they are talent. ठीक है? And I don't ever compromise with talent. I would not want my employees to leave me, because I know कि उनका क्या वो है, importance. And I don't ever disrespect them also. Right? So yeah, I think that answers all the questions. बाकी चूत जिसकी भी भाई जिसको इस चीज़ में objection है, because I think this is the most logical approach to this concern that people raise. Dumb fuck people who have never made any money in their life, who are just working a stupid fucking job, raising these stupid fucking concerns. Fucking, what do you call them? Fucking faggots, penchod. I would say मुझे गुस्सा आता है. You know, I wouldn't say, अगर कोई young बंदा मुझे बोल रहा है, मुझे बिल्कुल गुस्सा नहीं आएगा. I would genuinely give them a good explanation. But if an older person is saying this shit to me now, which that older person is this relative that I met recently, ठीक है? जिसने मुझे ये चीज़ बोली थी, मुझे नहीं बोली थी बट वो ऐसे ही बोल रहा था, भाई मेरा जो बॉस है घंटे का काम करता है। अबे मदर चुप रहेगा, लोड़े 40 साल का है तू, मेरा लंड ले ले मुंह में मादर चोद। इतना गुस्सा आता है ना ब्रो, इट जेन्युइनली fucking pisses me off when old people say this shit. Like you क्या तुम्हारे तुम्हें कोई एक्सपोजर नहीं मिला है क्या चूतिए? Fucking hell bro, it's like you're not at all empathetic भाई, कि मतलब एंड अगर कोई चीज़ हो रही है ना, वो हो रही है बिकॉज वो चीज़ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सही है। इफ़ अ बिजनेस ओनर इज बीइंग पेड इतना ज़्यादा सिंस द स्टार्ट ऑफ लाइक बिजनेसेस, most probably that shit is right and I think they should be paid more. ठीक है, that's it, that's everything I had to say. I don't know भाई और क्या बोलूँ मैं। यार dumb fucks if you still think कि the business owner should not be paid इतना ज़्यादा. Bye, fuck you.